Welcome to Review Source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best carry-on bags for a woman with wheels, ranked by durability, style, and travel convenience. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway, a business trip, or an overseas adventure, these bags combine fashion with functionality to make travels smoother. Links to all the carry-ons featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsonite Winfield 2 Fashion 20-inch Spinner. The Samsonite Winfield 2 Fashion Spinner is one of the most stylish and reliable hard-sided carry-ons you can buy. Built from lightweight yet impact-resistant polycarbonate, it's designed to handle the bumps and scrapes of air travel without showing every scratch. Measuring 20 inches, this spinner meets most domestic airline carry-on restrictions. The brushed patterned finish isn't just eye-catching, it also helps disguise scruffs, which travelers love after repeated trips. Many reviewers mention that the case still looks almost new after years of use. Inside, the Winfield 2 features a fully lined interior with cross straps and a privacy curtain that includes zippered organizational pockets. That makes packing clothes, shoes, and accessories easier and keeps everything secure during flights. The 4 multi-directional spinner wheels are smooth and silent, allowing the suitcase to glide alongside you instead of dragging behind. Combined with the sturdy telescopic handle, the bag maneuvers easily through busy airports. Users consistently praise its durability and professional look, saying it feels like a premium option without being overly heavy. At just over 6 pounds, it's easy to lift into overhead bins. The main drawback is its limited expandability. Being a hard-side case, it doesn't stretch as much as soft-sided options. Still, if you value sleek looks, long-lasting durability, and dependable performance, the Samsonite Winfield 2 Fashion is a fantastic investment. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction 20-inch. If you're looking for a lightweight yet functional soft-sided option, the Kenneth Cole Reaction out-of-bounds 20-inch expandable spinner is a strong contender. This carry-on is crafted from durable polyester twill fabric, offering flexibility that hard-shell cases don't provide. It's expandable, giving you an extra 2 inches of packing space when needed, perfect for squeezing in souvenirs on your return trip. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with garment restraint straps and a zippered organization pocket that keeps smaller items secure. A fully lined, tear-resistant interior makes it tougher than budget options that wear out quickly. At just 6.25 pounds, it's one of the lightest bags in this roundup. That makes it an excellent choice for women who want something easy to carry and lift. The 4 spinner wheels and locking retractable handle provide effortless maneuverability in any direction. Travelers appreciate its balance of price and function. Many reviewers say the bag feels lightweight, but still manages to withstand heavy use. The expandable feature is a major plus for those who pack more than expected. However, some users note that the exterior fabric can scuff if not handled carefully. Since it's a soft side bag, it also won't provide the same level of impact resistance as a hard shell. Still, for travelers who want an affordable, lightweight, and expandable option, the Kenneth Cole Reaction Out of Bounds hits the sweet spot. Number 3. Beis the Carry-On Roller in Black. The Beis carry-on roller is a newer entry into the luggage market, but has quickly gained a loyal following, especially among women who want a bag that blends fashion and function. Designed by actress and entrepreneur Shay Mitchell, this carry-on combines sleek looks with practical features. The polycarbonate shell offers durability, while the smooth matte black finish gives it a modern, minimalist appeal. One standout feature is the weight indicator handle. It lights up if your bag is over the airline's weight limit, saving you from last-minute surprises at check-in. This unique addition sets Beis apart from more traditional brands. The interior is just as well thought out. It includes a compression system to maximize packing space, zippered compartments separate items, and a removable laundry bag for dirty clothes. The lining is water-resistant, which helps if you're carrying liquids or cosmetics. The Beis carry-on also has 360-degree spinner wheels and a retractable handle for smooth movement in any direction. At 8.36 pounds, it's slightly heavier than others on this list, but users say the added features and build quality are worth it.
Reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with travelers highlighting the roomy interior, stylish design, and thoughtful extras like the laundry bag. Some mention that the finish can scratch more easily than textured hard shells, so you may want a cover if you check it in. If you want a fashionable, practical carry-on that feels modern and innovative.
Number 4. Away Carry-On Lightweight Hardside Suitcase. Away has become a go-to brand for modern travelers, and the bigger carry-on is one of their most popular models. Designed to fit in most overhead bins while offering extra space, it's perfect for women who want more room without checking a bag. Made from durable polycarbonate, it's tough yet lightweight at just 7.4 pounds. The suitcase comes with an ejectable TSA-approved USB battery pack that lets you charge your phone or devices on the go, a lifesaver during long layovers. Inside, the bag features a compression system that makes it easy to fit more into your carry-on. A hidden laundry bag is included, keeping dirty clothes separate. The clamshell opening allows you to organize items on both sides. The 4 360-degree spinner wheels glide quietly and effortlessly across different surfaces. Main drawback is the higher price point compared to budget options. Some also note that the smooth finish can pick up scratches, though Away sells protective covers. Still, for travelers who want a stylish, functional, and tech-friendly bag, this carry-on remains a favorite. Number 5. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Lightweight 21-inch Expandable Suitcase. Last but not least is the Travelpro Maxlite 5, a soft-slide carry-on designed for frequent flyers who want lightweight convenience without sacrificing quality. At just 5.4 pounds, it's the lightest bag in this roundup. Made from polyester with a water and stain-resistant coating, the Maxlite 5 is built to withstand the wear of constant travel. Its expandable design gives you up to 2 extra inches of packing space when needed. The interior includes a full-length lid pocket, side accessory pocket, and adjustable hold-down straps, making organization simple. Travelers appreciate how much they can fit inside despite the compact size. The bag rolls smoothly on 2 high-performance ball-bearing heels. While not a spinner, reviewers say it's easy to pull and feels more stable on uneven surfaces. The telescoping handle has multiple stops, making it comfortable for travelers of different heights. Each of these best carry-on bags for women with wheels brings its own strength, from sleek hard-shell durability to lightweight soft-side expandability. Whether you prefer fashion-forward designs, budget-friendly options, or bags packed with travel-friendly features, there's a perfect carry-on here for you. The best gratitude for the channel is a like and a subscription, and in return, we'll keep introducing you to the best products in terms of price and quality. Let me remind you, links to all the carry-ons are in the description. And in the comments, tell us which bag you'd pick for your travels and which one you think should be added to the list. This was Review Source. See you soon.